In this video, we are going to discuss about nucleophilic addition reactions. Generally, when we are taking the carbonyl compounds, they are possessing that what? An carbonyl functional group. That is aldehydes or ketones. They possess that what? An carbonyl functional group. What is a carbonyl functional group? C double bond O group is called as a what? An carbonyl functional group. Aldehydes or ketones, so they are containing that what? A CO group. So therefore it is called as what? A carbonyl group. This carbonyl group is very strong bond because carbon oxygen, they are small size atoms, they are making double bond, so therefore strong bond, and it is also having that what? And polar in nature. Because of this CO group, the aldehydes or ketones, so they are undergoing that what? A nucleophilic addition reactions. First, what is meant by nucleophile? The nucleophiles are called as a what? An electron rich centers. They are electron donors. Where the electron deficiency is there, then these nucleophiles are giving the electrons to the deficient centers and they will undergo that what? A nucleophilic addition reactions. Here nucleophile is added to the carbonyl group, which is containing by that what? Aldehydes or ketones. Right? Now when we are taking, this is a compound, this is called as a what? A carbonyl compound because it is containing that what? CO group. Here I am taking R, here you may take hydrogen. If you are taking hydrogen means it will become aldehyde. If you are taking an alkyl group, then it will becoming as a what? Ketone. This is the general example. Now when we are taking this carbon is undergoing that what? An sp2 hybridization. Why this carbon is undergoing sp2 hybridization means around this carbon there are 3 sigma bonds are present. So therefore this carbon is undergoing what? An sp2 hybridization and having that what? A planar geometry. Okay. Now this carbon, this oxygen is the more electronegative. This CO group is having that what? Polar in nature. Polar in nature means now this oxygen is taking the electron from this carbon, then the carbon is having that what? An positive center. So therefore the nucleophile is attacking over this electron deficient center. Nucleophile is always needed an electron deficient center. This carbon is an electron deficient center, so therefore nucleophile is attacking this electron deficient center. This is electron deficient, this is electron rich, so therefore reaction is going to be what happened between rich species and a deficient species. So nucleophile is attacking over here, so therefore it is called as what? A nucleophilic addition reaction. This step is called as what? Slow step. All slow steps reactions are called as what? Rate determined step. It is called as a rate determined step. Why it is a slow step means there is a bond breakage between carbon and oxygen. That is a strong bond. To break this bond takes time. So therefore it is a slow reaction. Slow reactions are rate determined steps. Now here attacking of nucleophile is happened, then we are going to get and tetrahedral intermediate product we are going to get. Around this carbon there are 4 sigma bonds are present, so therefore this carbon is having that what? sp3 hybridization, so therefore we are going to get the tetrahedral intermediate product. Next, this intermediate product is undergoing that what? And protonation. This is coming from that what? And reaction medium. Then this H plus attacking over here, then we are going to get that what? An addition product. This is called as what? An addition product. Because a nucleophile is adding, H plus is adding. So therefore we are going to get that what? An addition product. Okay. This is. So now sp2 carbon is converting into an sp3 carbon. See now around this carbon, for suppose here hydrogen is present means this is called as a what? An chiral center. For suppose when here this compound is aldehyde, this compound is aldehyde, H we are taken, then around this carbon 4 different groups are there, so therefore it is called as a what? A chiral center. chiral center. It is called as what? An optically active compound because no plane of symmetry is present. It will give its mirror image, racemic mixture. So now here we have to remember one point. What is that point means? If this carbon is having that what? More positive center, then the attacking of nucleophile is easy. So nucleophilic addition reactions undergoing faster rate. If this carbon is having less positive charge, less deficiency, electron deficiency, attacking of nucleophile is less. Nucleophilic addition reactions are slow. Okay, that is one point. Next, another point is here attacking of nucleophile. That means this carbonyl carbon should have less steric hindrance. Around this carbon, less steric hindrance is there means attacking of nucleophile is easy. More is the steric hindrance around this carbon, attacking of nucleophile is difficult. Okay, that is. Next one is when we are taking these aldehydes and ketones, which are more reactive towards this nucleophilic addition reactions, which is more reactive. Aldehydes are more reactive than that what? Ketones. Why aldehydes are more reactive than the ketones means because of two reasons. One is called as what? An steric crowding. Steric crowding. See now here I am taking that what? A compound is called as what? A formaldehyde. This is called as what? Formaldehyde, or it is called as what? Methanol. Next I am taking that what? Acetone. Now this is called as what? Ketone, or C double bond O R. So then it is called as what? Acetone, or it is also called as what? Propanone. Propanone. Now this is ketone, this is aldehyde. This is also aldehyde. Which aldehyde is more reactive? Compared to ketones, aldehydes are more reactive. Aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive. In this aliphatic aldehyde, which is more reactive? See now this is the carbonyl group. Around this carbon, a small size of hydrogen atoms are present. Hydrogen atoms are smaller size. So therefore, okay, around this carbon steric hindrance crowding is very less. So therefore, attacking of nucleophile is what? Easy. This nucleophile can attacking this carbon is very easily because of less crowd around this carbonyl carbon. Whereas here when we are taking here hydrogen same. Here hydrogen is there, here methyl group is there. Compared to hydrogen, methyl group is what? Somewhat bigger size. Because of this big size of this methyl group, what will be happen? The steric crowd around this carbonyl carbon is what? More. Because of bigger size. So therefore, attacking of nucleophile over this carbonyl carbon is somewhat difficult because of crowd. Because of the crowd. Next, when we are taking this ethanol acetone. Now here CO group, carbonyl carbon. Around this carbon, two methyl groups are present. Whenever two methyl groups are present, here what will be happen? The steric crowding is more over this carbonyl carbon. Around this carbon, steric crowd is more. When steric crowd is more, attacking of nucleophile over this carbonyl carbon is very difficult. So therefore nucleophilic addition reaction takes place very slowly. That's why ketones are less reactive than that what? Aldehydes towards a nucleophilic addition reaction because of steric crowding. This is one of the reason. Another reason is electronic factors. Electronic factors means either plus I effect or minus I effect or plus M effect or minus M effect. That is another reason. Because of this reason also aldehydes are more reactive than the ketones. Now this is the aldehyde. This is also aldehyde. These aldehydes are more reactive than this ketone. This is propanone, ethanol, methanol. And now what is electronic resonance? Now these electrons are shifting here. This is minus, this is positive. Now these hydrogen atoms are not electron donating groups, or they are not withdrawing groups. These hydrogens are not withdrawing groups or not electron donating groups. So therefore the positive charge on this carbonyl carbon is what? Present. So then whenever positive charge is developed, less steric hindrance, so attacking of nucleophile is easy compared to these compounds. Whereas here minus charge, positive charge. Now attacking of nucleophile. Attacking of nucleophile is easy here or not? See, now this is called as what? A methyl group. Methyl group means what? An alkyl group. Alkyl groups means what? They are having plus I effect, electron donating capacity. Now this alkyl group giving the electrons to this carbonyl carbon. So therefore whenever this group is giving the electrons to this carbonyl carbon, then what will be happen? The deficiency of this carbon is decreases. That means the positive charge on this carbon is decreases. Whenever positive charge is decreases, then the attacking of nucleophile is difficult, because the nucleophile is always needed an electron deficient center. More is the deficiency. That means more is the positive charge on this carbonyl carbon, easy attacking of nucleophile. But due to this plus I effect, the positive charge on this carbon is decreases. Deficiency is decreases. So therefore attacking of nucleophile is somewhat less compared to this case. Here positive charge is more. Here positive charge is less over the carbonyl carbon because of plus I. Here positive charge is more, no? So attacking of nucleophile is more easy. So therefore this is more reactive than this. Next, this one, ethanol, propanol. Here this is plus I effect. Now this is also alkyl group, it is also plus I effect. Now here 2 plus I effect is there. So therefore the positive charge, this group is giving the electrons to this carbon, carbonyl carbon. This group also donating the electrons to carbonyl carbon. Both are giving the electrons to the carbonyl carbon. So therefore the positive center on this positive charge on this carbonyl carbon is very, very less. So carbon is having less positive charges here, means attacking of nucleophile is very difficult. That means this carbon is having sufficient electrons, so therefore it is not accepting that what electrons from the nucleophile. So nucleophilic addition reactions will becomes lower. That is called as what? An electronic resonance. Plus I effect is there, means the positive charge on the carbonyl carbon is decreases, attacking of nucleophile is less, so therefore less nucleophilic addition reactions. For suppose an electron withdrawing group is present for the same compound. For suppose now I am taking this compound CH3 CH NO2 C double bond O H. This is aldehyde. Next another compound we are taking CH3 CH2 C double bond O H. We are taking which is more nucleophilic addition reaction. Among these two, which is more nucleophilic addition reaction? See now here this oxygen is more electronegative, so therefore more negative. This is positive. Now this is electron withdrawing group, minus I effect. And what is electron withdrawing group? Minus I effect. Now this group is withdrawing the electron from this carbon. Now immediately this carbon feel deficiency, so therefore this carbon will attract the electron from this carbon. electron from this carbon. So then what will be happen? The positive center on this carbonyl carbon is what? Increases. This is withdrawing the electron from this carbon. This carbon is withdrawing the electron from this carbon and from this carbon. So therefore the positive center, this is this carbon withdrawing the electron from this carbon. So therefore the positive center on this carbonyl carbon is what? Increases. Positive charge is increases. Whenever the positive charge is increases, the attacking of nucleophile is what? Easy. Whereas here this is called as what? Plus I effect. Now this group is donating the electrons here. So therefore the positive center on this carbonyl carbon is what? Decreases. This is the positive center. Now this group is donating the electrons to this carbon. So therefore positive center is decreases. Positive center is decreases means attacking of nucleophile is difficult. So therefore nucleophilic addition reactions are less. Okay, now like this we are explaining. Plus I groups, they will decreases the attacking of nucleophile. Minus I groups, minus M groups, they will increase the positive center over the carbonyl carbon if they are very close to that what? A carbonyl group. And what is close to this carbonyl group? So therefore positive center on this carbonyl carbon is increases, attacking of nucleophile is easy. This is. So now by using these simple methods, by tricks, we can solve that what? And nucleophilic addition reactions are very easy. What is that? Tips of these nucleophilic addition reactions means nucleophilic addition reactions are favorable by withdrawing group. More is the withdrawing group, more is the nucleophilic addition reactions. Electron releasing groups are present means nucleophilic addition reactions will be less. Steric factor is more, nucleophilic addition reactions are less. That is the tip number 1. Next, another trick, nucleophilic addition reaction. Aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive than aromatic aldehydes. In aliphatic, formaldehyde is more reactive because less steric hindrance, no electronic effects, less positive center, less plus I effect. So therefore attacking of nucleophile is easy. So formaldehyde is more reactive when compared to remaining aldehydes. Now aliphatic, aromatic. Aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive than aromatic aldehydes because of this presence of this aromatic ring, the positive charge on the carbonyl carbon is decreases. So therefore aromatic aldehydes are less reactive than aliphatic aldehydes. Next, aldehydes, ketones. Aldehydes are more reactive. Next, comparison with ketones, ketones. Aliphatic ketones, aromatic ketones. Aliphatic ketones are more reactive towards nucleophilic addition than the aromatic ketones because of steric hindrance. Right? Here steric hindrance is less, here steric hindrance is more. So the aliphatic ketones are more reactive. Next, ketones are more reactive than acid chlorides. Acid chlorides are more reactive than esters, which is more reactive than amides, than acids. So now by using these tips, we can solve that what? Questions are very easy. Now see now here, what is there here? First question, ethanol, propanol, propanone, butanone. One is there means, suffix one is there means they are ketones. Al is there means they are called as aldehydes. Okay. Now ethanol means 2 carbons. Propanol means 3 carbons. Alkyl group is increases. Plus I effect increases. So therefore nucleophilic addition reactions will be what? Less. Now ethanol, aldehyde. 2 carbons, 3 carbons. More is the carbons, more is the plus I effect. So less is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Next, aldehyde, ketone. Aldehydes are more reactive. That is only our, what is our trick? Aldehydes are more reactive than that what? Ketones. So now use trick number 2 or tip number 2, we can solve the questions. Aldehyde, ketone. Aldehydes are more reactive. Next, ketone. This is aliphatic, this is aliphatic. Here how many carbons are there? 3 carbons are there. Here how many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. Number of alkyl groups is increases. Size of the alkyl group is increases. Nucleophilic addition reactions will be what? Less. So this is here number of carbons 4. Here number of carbons 3. Here also number of carbons 3. Here number of carbons 2. So plus I effect is what? Less. Plus I effect is what? Somewhat more compared to this. Now number of carbons is same. This is aldehyde. This is ketone. Steric hindrance is less. Steric hindrance is more. So therefore this is more react. Next ketone. Number of carbons less. Number of carbons is more. Here plus I effect is more. Electronic effect is more. Steric hindrance is more. So therefore less nucleophilic addition reaction. Next benzaldehyde. Second example. Now we are taking that word benzaldehyde. Now this is the benzaldehyde. Next paratoldehyde. That means benzaldehyde, para-tol benzaldehyde. Now this is the benzaldehyde. Para position toluene. That means CH3 group is present. Next, para-nitrobenzaldehyde. What is a para-nitrobenzaldehyde? Benzaldehyde means benzene upon CHO group is there, means benzaldehyde. Para position NO2 group is present. Para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Next, acetophenone. What is a phenone group? This is called as what? A phenone group. Aceto, that means CH3. Now this is called as what? Para-benzaldehyde. Para-benzaldehyde. Acetophenone. Now which is more react? Which is more react? Now this is benzaldehyde. Para position CH3. Para toluene, tol benzaldehyde. Next this is benzaldehyde, which is more react. All are benzaldehyde. Aldehyde. Ketone. Aldehydes are more reactive. According to this one. According to this trick, we can solve the question. Aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde, aromatic ketone. See now, aromatic aldehyde, aromatic ketone. Aromatic aldehydes are more reactive. So this is a more reactive than this. Next, this is the first compound. This is the second compound. Third compound. Fourth compound. Fourth compound is the least. Next, in these aldehydes, which is more reactive. Now see now here.